Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
Alexa, turn on my lights, please.
Okay.
Good morning. Damn. So fun fact, I actually woke up at 4 AM to do this, but it's 5:30, so. Anyway, good morning. I'm off to the beach today really early. I have a big day because I have things I want to do in the afternoon. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna squish in the beach. I woke up at 4 AM because Liam also woke up at 4 AM for work, so look at where I am now. I fell back asleep, so let's get ready. Stunning. So I made it to the beach. It's 6:44. It's nice and windy and cold. Hopefully it'll warm up soon because it's a bit windy. The drive was nice. I didn't stop like once, which was lovely. I'm gonna try and enjoy my morning and we'll go from there. Hey, I'm off to go get an acai bowl. They open in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna drive there. Maybe be the first one there. I might come back here, I don't know. I'm meeting Bella somewhere. I don't know where, but I kind of want to stay in Burleigh, but we're here in Tally, so I don't know. But anyways, just want to update them. I'm gonna get an acai bowl. It is freezing in terms of the wind here. Like I haven't gone in because it's so windy and cold. And I'm now about to have an acai bowl. I don't know. Anyway. Just went for a swim. So nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is my third time back at the beach to find my keys. And I can't find them anywhere. I've literally ran the whole route that I've been. So, update. Fuck. My parents are on their way to come and drop off my spare key. I'm just tanning. Oh, guys, I'm trying to think positively about this situation. I'm going to still have a good day. I'm still meant to hang out with my friend. I think she's on her way. But I was meant to meet her somewhere else, but of course this happened. But yeah, so the only things that are not trapped in my car is my pants and my Crocs. I probably have sand all over my back. I don't have a towel because it's all in my car. I'm trying to be really positive, like I said, because, you know, it's just part of life. I was so close to crying because I am a crier and I cry a lot about everything, which I think is okay. Everyone's different. I promised myself I wouldn't cry in this situation because it's such an easy fix. It's inconvenient for my parents, inconvenient for me, but they don't mind, and I'm happy to wait for when they get here. It's just a long drive. I think on the positive side, I'm here, I'm at the beach, and yeah. It's a nice view though, so pretty. And my car is just at that car park there. So I just hung out with my friend for like an hour. And my parents should be here in like 10 minutes. And then we're gonna continue a great day. I don't know if they're gonna stay at the beach with me or if they're just gonna go back home. But they drove an hour and a half here, so you would think that they would stay for a bit. But I'm gonna continue my day once they drop me off my key. I am just saying now how grateful I am for my parents. Don't think I'm just making this up. Oh, like I was gonna get someone to pay someone to come and get a new car key for me and spend so much money. Like I was willing to do that, but my parents didn't even hesitate to come and drop off my key, so I am very grateful. But once they come over, I am going to continue my great day. I just really want a towel. I want to go for a swim, do all that, but I really want a towel and a hat, but it's all locked in my car. All I have is my sweatpants with me. Continue my great day, hopefully with them for a little bit if they decide to stay here. Anyway, that's my update. But I did hang out with Bella for like an hour. It was so good. I haven't caught up with her properly in ages, so it was a good distraction. And I love her so much, so. Fuck yes, bitches. Oh my god, my stuff. My beautiful stuff. Just went for another swim with my keys. Oh my gosh, such a long process, but we made it, and now I have what I want out of my car. The beach is so nice. It's a perfect day. It's like windy, but good windy because it's so hot. Today is a good day, guys. Alright, I'm back in my car and now we have to drive home. Feeling very burnt, so we'll see what I look like in the shower. Hey, so I am home and I am burnt as fuck. Holy shit, like it looks like I have a full like swimsuit on, a white swimsuit, like a pair of bathers when I look at myself, because everything's red and then we just have the white triangles, the white. Guys, I knew this was gonna happen, but it's not my fault. Everything was locked in my car for half of the day. My sunscreen, my hat, my towel, anything to cover me. Anyway, so I'm now unpacking all of my beach stuff and repacking because I'm going to Liam's and we're going out tonight. We're going to get dinner together and then we're going clubbing. Ooh. So I'm very excited. There is a lot to deconstruct. This is only half of it. I've already done the other half. But my face. Dirty lines. I don't know, but she's bad. My butt. Anyways, I'm gonna do this, so let's go.
Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess it. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bag. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Burger 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Making no mud, I made out of the sewer. I'm hard to set, sweet, whatever, I'm good. Out of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they bite them a chain. Championship, ain't just gonna empty shit. Big breaker nigga, look at the kid.